What's up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing an unboxing of the CVLIFE Reflex red dot sight. You can pick this up on Amazon for $35 to $40 or so, right around that range. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what it comes with. So this is the packaging. It actually comes in a nice little box here. Let's go ahead and get it open. And opening it up, again, wow, nice box here. It has the actual red dot here. We'll set that aside. Looks like we got some batteries. I believe it only takes 3 of these. So it looks like they gave you some extra, which is nice. We'll set those aside. Looks like we have 2 Allen wrenches, one to put it on and one to adjust the red dot itself. We have a cleaning cloth as well. And then we also have the instruction manual on how to use that. And that is it as far as what comes in the box here. Yep, just making sure. So cool, let's go ahead and get these out of the packages and take a closer look at them. Here we have everything out now, and as you can see, here is our red dot reflex sight. Looks pretty awesome, and I did already go ahead and I put 3 batteries in. That's all it took. So they do give you 3 extra, which is awesome as well. And to insert them, all you have to do is open this cap here, put 3 of them in, and you're good to go. The on-off switch is right here on the side. It's this button here. So all you have to do is press it once to turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, you just press and hold and it will turn off. Again, to turn it on, all you have to do is push this button once and that will go ahead and turn the dot on, which you can see there. And then if you push it multiple times, I think there's 8 or 7 different settings, and that will cycle it through the different brightnesses. Also, on the back side here, you can see there's a switch, and this switch allows you to change the different reticule you want. There's 4 different options. There's a circle with a cross and dot in the center. There's a cross with a dot in the center. There is a circle with a dot in the center. And then all the way on this side is just the dot. So you do have 4 different options, all to choose from. So pretty cool. To adjust the red dot, you have 2 different spots. Over here is the left and right, and then on the top is the up and down. All you have to do is use the tool provided, put it in, and then you just turn it to which way you need to go. So pretty simple to adjust. All right, last thing here, let's talk about mounting this. This will mount to any Picatinny rail that you have. I have a small section cut out here as an example, and all you have to do is go ahead and loosen these 2 screws on the red dot here, and then it'll slide right over the Picatinny rail like so. And then once you have it on there loosely, you just have to use the tool that's provided and tighten down those 2 screws until it is snug and on there. So pretty easy to do and pretty easy to attach. So looking down the sight here, let's flip through the different options. We have the first one, which is a circle with a cross and a dot in the center. The next one is a cross with a dot in the center. And then the third one is a circle with a dot in the center. And then the last one is just the dot. So easy to flip through those and pick which one you like best. So this dot does provide a very clear sight picture as seen there, and it's actually tinted with a little bit of blue. And even when you move side to side or up and down, that dot is staying on its spot there, which is awesome. So pretty impressed with the glass and the red dot actually staying on point there. So yeah, pretty nice. Overall, again, if you're looking for a budget-friendly optic, I think the CVLIFE here reflex sight, it seems pretty solid. The glass is great. You have different options with the different apertures. I think it's a great choice, and especially for the price point, right around $35 or to $40, you can't go wrong with this. So if you're in the market for a budget-friendly optic, I would definitely give this a try. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Always happy to help. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. We'll have some more reviews and also gun-related videos coming here soon. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.